Woo! Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Hopefully you guys are having a great day out there. Good evening, good morning to all my peeps out there. Hey, markets are not looking pretty good, guys. Things are looking actually pretty nasty out there. And what the heck is going on? I'm going to try to demystify and tell you what's going on, guys. And I'm also going to try to explain to you what we can see in the near future. I'm still pretty bullish, even though we're seeing that some of my key support levels for Bitcoin have broken down. I am still bullish, guys. I'm not selling anything, and I'm going to tell you why this is happening, and you know what we can expect in the near to short-term future. I still believe that we are still in a bull cycle, but we're seeing that, you know, we're kind of in like a micro bear cycle, guys. And, you know, we have seen these kind of things happen before. So I'm not too panicky in the house. Yeah, I mean, I'm uncomfortable. I mean, I see that, you know, my portfolio is bleeding out and going down, down. So that's not making me happy in the house. You know, wouldn't be making anybody happy in the house. But, you know, I'm not overly panicked. And, you know, like I said to a lot of my community out there, worst case, we're just going to have to hold the 2025, the next halving. So that is probably not the great news that you want to hear. But first, let's talk about why this is happening. What are some of the contributing factors to that's causing this downward pressure on the broader markets, on the crypto markets? When do we see a reversal happening? I will give you the exact date when we're going to see a reversal happening, in my opinion, guys. But you know, this reversal will happen if we have one main catalyst happening. If this specific date happens and we don't hear what we want to hear, then we're definitely going to see even more capitulation by the Bitcoin community, the crypto community, and we could see things going down. So remember, this is not financial advice, guys, by any stretch of the imagination. This is just the OG in the house expressing opinions. So go down there, smash the likes like never before, and let's get this video up to 1,000 likes, guys. Get it. Smash the likes, comment, and subscribe, guys. So also, you guys also have to keep an eye on the Bitcoin mining hash rate, because every time, you know, right now the Bitcoin mining hash rate is at all-time highs. This is a fact. This is absolutely a fact in the house. But right now, you guys have to keep in mind that for the Bitcoin miners to stay in profit, they need to see at least 21. It costs the Bitcoin miners $21,000 to mine one Bitcoin. Okay, that's a fact. So right now, the miners are not selling their Bitcoin. If the miners do sell their Bitcoin, we could see Bitcoin going down to $15,000, $20,000. So it's very critical that you keep an eye on that. And if you start to see that Bitcoin gets anywhere near $21,000, $22,000, then what we can see is that if Bitcoin miners start to dump all their Bitcoin, you could see Bitcoin like crash down to 15,000. Okay, so that could happen. So just keep an eye on that. Remember, keep this number in the back of your head, that it costs the Bitcoin miners approximately $21,000 to $22,000 to mine one Bitcoin. Okay, so that is their cost. So if Bitcoin does, you know, start to approach that cost level, then they're going to sell their Bitcoin because they need cash to continue operation. Okay, so that's business, guys. That's business 101. All right. So here's another thing that you guys need to keep an eye on. Right now, we're seeing that the Dow Jones was down yesterday. The S&P is down. The Nasdaq is also down, and things are not looking pretty good, guys. So you know, if we look at the total fear and greed index right now, it's gone down like crazy. It's at 13. So right now, once again, we're having Wall Street are going nuts. We had the hedge fund. We had the hedge fund managers. They have no idea what they're doing. They're just like in panic mode. They're selling off all of their tech stock. There's a huge sell-off in the broader markets, and they're moving a lot of their money to cash. I mean, they're not even buying gold, because if you look at the price of gold, gold is down, silver is down. They are just sitting on cash, and you know, because they don't know what's going on, they're just selling. So let's take a look at the heat map, and then I'm going to tell you something really important, guys. So keep watching this channel. So we saw that Bitcoin went down yesterday. It's at 36 right now. Ethereum is down. Everything is looking pretty bad. We saw that the total liquidations right now is in excess of $1 billion, guys. And this is not good. You know, considering that you know, Bitcoin is already going down, and we're in a very sensitive time frame for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and broader markets. And then we have the leverage apes aping in, and basically we've got all of these positions got wrecked. We had 65% of all longs got wrecked, guys. So 65% of all the $1 billion worth of people getting wrecked was longs. So we have very few shorts. It's a majority of his longs that got wrecked, guys. So that is totally crazy now. And it looks like FTX has the majority of the long positions. That's just kind of weird. It's normally Binance, guys. So, you know, what is causing all of this downward pressure? We have geopolitical stuff, right? You know, we have the Russian stuff, Russian banning crypto. We have, you know, the jobless report. I've talked about the housing starts, but nothing is really going to happen. We're waiting for this big date here. So on the 26th we have the FOMC statement, and then we have the Federal Chair Conference. So you're going to continue to see sell off, sell off, sell off. Crypto's going to go down. The broader markets are going to go down, and nothing's going to happen until the 26th. So the key thing to remember right here, right now, is if we get some positive news, some positive indicators from the federal chairman, then you're going to see the broader markets reverse. You're going to see cryptocurrencies reverse. If we get negative news or kind of hawkish news from the federal chairman, we're going to see a continuation of this bloodbath, guys. That's all there is to it. That's all I got to say about that. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin right now, as of recording, time recording. Remember, by the time you watch this and I record it, there's about 45 minutes delay. Okay, so keep that in mind. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin has fallen down to 36,546 in the house, guys, and it's broken down below my support level. So this is not looking good right now. And then if this continues, we could see Bitcoin going down to 30,000. So let's just keep an eye on that. Hopefully we can get a reversal this weekend. I'm not going to be making any moves till after the Fed chair meeting on the 26th. That's what I'm doing. Let's take a look at BIDI on the 4-hour chart. Once again, Bitcoin is at 36,591. You can see the MACD is horrible right now. It's totally red. We got a little bit of a green candle going on, so let's see, that could turn red at any moment. So I'm not looking too good. Let's take a look at the Dogecoin in the house, guys. So my Doge right now is also it's coming back, guys. So that is pretty good. We're at 14. Our next level of support is at 13 cents for the Dogecoin, and this is now resistance, guys. What a night! I woke up to this nasty stuff in the house, guys. So that is not looking good, but. If Doge needs to break out of this descending channel, also we need to see Bitcoin also break out of this descending channel as well, this huge descending channel. We've been here before for Bitcoin, but we need to see if Bitcoin can make a move to the upside, guys. So I don't think anything much is really going to happen right now until we see this information coming out from the federal chairman, right? That's it, guys. So there's some positive news out there. This is from Matthew Hayward. Discussed this scenario a month ago with some friends privately. I don't think it was highly likely, but nevertheless, here we are. Lengthening cycles look solid as long as we eventually recover and don't see a prolonged price decline and a bear market. So what he's saying here is this. He drew this out a couple months ago, and you can see that the bottom here is around about 36,000. That's the bottom, and then he's anticipating once we hit 36,000, we could have an impulse to the upside, guys. I am still bearish. I am still bullish on the long-term time frame, but right now we're in a micro bear cycle, and we just need the Fed chairman to make some moves, guys. So this is from Tech Dev, and what he's saying is my bias has been bullish, and I'm expecting to blow off top in Q1 or Q2 of 2022, but I cannot ignore this chart. Basically, if we don't get a huge DIX dump, and the DXY is basically the basket of currencies compared to the US dollar, and if we don't see the value of the dollar going down against this basket of currency, then we are not going to have a validated blow off top, and things are going to go down. So I still think that we are going to go up, guys. I really think that. I'm still holding strong, and I've kind of made a decision last night, and I said to myself, well, if it doesn't go up, then I'm going to wait till 2025. Okay, so I might start to sell some of my altcoins that are still in green and start to accumulate Ethereum and Bitcoin. That is probably what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to wait till the 26th to see how this federal meeting pans out. So I'm going to be, selling off some of my altcoins that are in profit and moving it to Bitcoin, and I'm buying the dips. And I'm going to be buying more dips, guys. So we're still seeing a lot of whales are gobbling up Bitcoin as non-exchange BTC supplies surge at all-time highs. So we're seeing that the OTC market right now is awash with Bitcoin, and we're seeing a lot of whales still buying Bitcoin, guys. So we're still seeing a lot of illiquid supply. We're still seeing that the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges is so low compared to where it was in the past, guys. So I just believe that this is just a temporary thing. This is absolutely a temporary thing. And once the federal chairman comes out and the markets start to make some moves, we're going to see the crypto is going to turn around. We're going to have a recovery. I believe we're going to have a recovery. It's not going to be a V-shaped recovery, but it will be a recovery nonetheless. And this is from Mike McBurger in the house, and he's saying that market may be suffering, but Bitcoin and Ethereum will pull back stronger. Bloomberg analyst says. So what he's saying is that even though the broader market's going down, down. Once the broader markets have a reversal, we're going to see that Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to bounce back much faster, much stronger than the broader markets. And keep in mind, guys, the only true hedge against inflation right now is Bitcoin. We're not making any more Bitcoin, guys. It's truly inflationary, and it's truly deflationary, and we're not making any more Bitcoin. And at the end of the day, Bitcoin is going to go up. I believe when we hit the next halving, millionaires are going to be made overnight, guys. So this is still a good time to be loading up on the Bitcoin. I'm going to be buying more Bitcoin, and I'm not panicking in the house. I'm concerned, but I'm not panicking. BlackRock announces that they have filed for a Bitcoin ETF. So that is bullish news. So there's still some bullish news out there, guys. So we're also seeing Bitcoin correlations and recovery windows. And you were seeing that, data summary, average correction duration is about 89 days. So we've been correcting since the beginning of, since the end of December. So we could still be continuing this correction mode, probably, till March, guys. Average days, average correction. Every time we have an average correction for Bitcoin, we can see a minus 50%. Then after the correction, we often see a 362 gains, guys. So if you just look at that, that's another reason why I'm not selling, because the downside is 57%, minus 57%, but the upside correlation is 362%. And I don't want to be selling, holding, and what happens if I time the bottoms wrong, guys? So that's why I just take the cautious approach, and I'm just hodling and waiting, guys. Let's take a look at the Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu has broken way down, guys, way down in the valley. It's broken way down below this support level here. That needs to go red. And right now Shiba Weeby is at 22, and our next support level is around about here at 20, guys. So it's not looking good for the Shiba Inu, Shiba Weeby, and Shiba Weeby is taking a hit and it's taking a bad hit, guys. Also looking at Ethereum. Ethereum is also not looking too good right now. Ethereum is trading at $2,600 and some change. This support level has been invalidated now, so there's complete disaster. And Ethereum is also going down. We had a huge sell-off. This is all this leverage trading, guys. This is all these leverage trading, guys. Look at that. $71 million worth of Ethereum wreck, guys. $77 million worth of BTC wreck, guys. So the leverage traders are just ruining for everybody. I really wish they would just stop it. We're seeing that Solana in the house is also breaking down. It's now well below this support level that is now turning red, and everything is just going red. It's a bloodbath out there. It's crazy. I mean, I'm not happy, guys. And we're seeing that Solana right now is $113. So I'm still in profit. I bought my Solana at $18, so my remaining Solana is still in huge profit. So I'm not too concerned about it, but I may be selling some of my Solana, and I may be buying some Bitcoin with that. We're seeing that Phantom as well is underwater, but it is coming back, guys. We had a intraday low yesterday of $2.13. and it's at $2.31. So it's starting to come back. We're seeing a slow recovery, slow reversal coming, and we're seeing that the total market cap is just terrible right now. It's a 1.76 trillion. We're seeing that the volumes are also disgusting right now, disgustingly high. A lot of this is selling. People are selling. The selling pressure is really high, guys. So I'm going to be waiting till probably Monday, and then when the banks open, I'm going to be dollar cost average. We're seeing the dominance also going up, guys, and that's not good. So we're seeing that Bitcoin has slid. In the last 30 days, Bitcoin has gone down 24%, 24.5%. It's down 8.44% in the last 24 hours. Not good, guys. And we're at $36,580 for Bitcoin. So I know a lot of you are not happy. I'm not happy out there. I'm concerned, but I'm not selling anything because I believe that there is going to be a reversal. And as I showed you, the typical averages for the reversal is up 362% in the house, guys. So right now we're seeing that Ethereum is also down 10% as well, and that's at 2,606. We're seeing that BNB is down as well, down 8.99%. Everything's just going down. We're seeing that ADA is down 7.1%. I'm a buyer at $1. I will pick up some more ADA once it hits $1. We're seeing that Solana is down as well. It's $112, and that's down 7.84%. Luna is down 14%, $65. We're seeing DOT is down as well, 12%, $19. Doge is down 4.51%, down it's at $14 cents. Avalanche is down. Shiba Inu is down 13%. So everything is not looking good. There's absolutely no green anywhere, guys. ICP is up. Well, okay. So that's about it. I mean, I'm not seeing green anywhere, guys. So this is just a short one, guys. So guys, don't panic in the house. Do go down, and don't forget to follow me on, check out my links, guys. Check out my Linky Winkies, guys. Don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter. You can go right here and follow me on Twitter. I've got 3,748 followers. Follow. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, guys. Give a super chat if you want to. I know it's hard for you guys right now. Everybody's panicking in the house. Do go over to the wife's channel. Do go over there, smash the likes, and subscribe over there, guys. And let's get this channel to 1,000 likes. I would appreciate it. And don't forget to go check out the merch, guys. We got hats, we got mugs. I know that you guys are not feeling too good and not feeling like probably buying any of the merch, guys. But it's okay, guys. But do go and smash the likes, or not, guys, if you guys don't want to. Let's get the likes up to 1,000, guys. I love it. You love it. Guys, keep calm, okay? I mean, I'm not selling anything. I'm just going to dollar cost average, guys. And we're going to see a reversal coming in. Absolutely, a reversal will come in at some point. Let's see. Let's keep holding strong till the 26th, until the Jeremy Powell announcements comes out. Let's see what the Fed's doing, guys. I think things are going to come back, guys. All right, guys. God bless you all. See you soon. Woo!